Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to set video visibility to everyone or friends or only you in TikTok. So we are in profile. Now you can open any video, tap on it. Now you see video is open. So we are going to change privacy setting for video. Now you see three dots, so click on it. Now you see multiple option and then you see privacy settings, so click on it. Now we are in privacy setting. Now you see who can watch this video. Everyone. If you want, you can change video visibility to everyone. Anyone on TikTok. If you want, you can change video visibility to friends, followers. You follow back. And if you want, you can make your video private. Now you see only you. So you can do setting according to requirement. So you can set your video visibility to everyone or friends or only you. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.